Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving you control the account. This avoids lockouts later. Log in on a device you normally use, then verify you can receive messages at the email or phone on file. Once done, open account settings and focus on security options. Make sure your recovery email and phone are correct. These prerequisites prevent losing access when you change two-step verification. If anything differs from what you expect, pause and update recovery contacts before proceeding to reduce the risk of being locked. Now go to Security Settings and select Two-Step Verification. You will need to complete the on-screen verification. That step confirms you are the account owner, so follow prompts exactly. Once verified, choose Disable or Manage Authenticator options. Make sure to save any provided recovery codes. If you plan to turn it off temporarily, re-enable it right away or set up an alternate secure method like an authenticator app. These actions keep your account safe while you adjust verification settings. Finish by logging out and back in to confirm changes took effect and update any apps or devices that use the previous two-step method. If you cannot access the account after changes, do not try to bypass security. Instead, collect recovery evidence such as proof of purchase, account creation date, and associated email. Then contact Roblox support through the official help channels and submit that evidence. Make sure to re-enable two-step verification or an authenticator after support restores access to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.